What's up, AI family? This week in AI has been absolutely electrifying, and we're kicking things off with a model that's making waves, Cohere Expanse. Think of it as a multilingual superstar, capable of understanding and generating text in a whopping 23 languages. Cohere, a company we've covered extensively on this channel, is really pushing the boundaries here. Previously, many AI models excelled in English, but struggled with other languages. Expanse changes that game completely. They've released two versions, an 8 billion parameter model and a significantly larger 32 billion parameter model. The smaller model is ideal for researchers looking to access powerful AI, while the bigger one is a beast, providing top-of-the-line multilingual AI capabilities. And guess what? It's outperforming major players like Google, Mistral, and Meta in benchmark tests, an incredible feat. This isn't just incremental improvement, it's a game changer. Imagine the possibilities: seamless global communication, breaking down language barriers in research, education, and business. The possibilities are truly endless. Cohere has made its models available not just through its own API, but open source on Kaggle and Hugging Face, which speaks volumes about where they're heading. This isn't just about creating a better model, but also about making powerful AI tools truly accessible to everyone, regardless of language or background. This is awesome. I really believe this is a huge opportunity. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. I am truly interested to hear your thoughts. Now, let's shift gears and head to Denmark. This week saw the unveiling of Gefion, Denmark's very first AI supercomputer, a seriously impressive piece of hardware. It's been described as Denmark's largest sovereign AI super. Imagine the processing power this thing packs. Think of it as the ultimate brain power for tackling complex AI tasks. NVIDIA's CEO, Jensen Huang, was that this supercomputer is no ordinary machine. It's an NVIDIA DGX SuperPod, powered by a staggering 1,528 NVIDIA H100 Tensor Core GPUs. That's a lot of computational power. I mean, the scale is just mind-boggling. Gefion isn't just flashy, though. It's designed for serious work. It will initially focus on projects aimed at using AI to make progress in quantum computing, drug discovery, and energy efficiency. This kind of computational muscle opens the door to groundbreaking discoveries and innovations. This is a powerful example of government investment in AI, smart investment in its future. The dedication is impressive, and it points towards a very bright future. I'm incredibly excited to see what breakthroughs come from this. This is a fantastic testament to the potential of collaboration between government and private tech companies to drive innovation. What kind of research do you think will benefit the most from machines like these? Hit me up in the comments section. The legal world isn't immune to the AI revolution either. This week saw some really interesting developments, specifically new applications that are changing the way legal professionals work. Check out Agent Lumi from Luminance. It's not your average AI. This tool combines a powerful legal LLM with AI tools and advanced memory functions. Agent Lumi is designed to perform tasks and make decisions without any human supervision whatsoever. I am stunned by the potential here. That's pretty wild. This AI has been trained on over 150 million verified legal documents. It basically understands the legal landscape like no other piece of software. Imagine the help this will provide, automatically reviewing documents, potentially spotting errors, and reducing the time legal experts spend on routine admin. The implications are huge: increased efficiency and allowing legal practitioners to focus on higher-value work, such as client interaction and advanced legal strategies. This isn't about replacing lawyers. It's about helping them work smarter. Alexi isn't messing around either. They just launched a comprehensive platform designed to automate up to 80% of routine litigation tasks. They're streamlining the entire workflow, making it faster, more efficient, and less stressful. This really shows how many areas AI is rapidly changing and transforming several industries. I'm particularly fascinated by the idea of AI acting as a true collaborative partner, assisting, not replacing, human professionals. Are you guys ready for this increased automation in the legal world? Share your thoughts below. Let's talk healthcare. Amazon One Medical unveiled new AI tools to help healthcare providers. This isn't about AI diagnosing or providing treatment. It's about AI assisting doctors in handling administrative hurdles. It's about freeing up their time so they can focus on what truly matters: patient care. Their new AI tools are integrated into their EHR and aim to make medical records review and note-taking processes far more efficient. Think of it as a digital assistant for doctors, handling the paperwork so they have more time to connect with patients. AWS Health Scribe, for instance, takes notes of patient visits in real time. Think of it as a super-powered note-taker, working nonstop through the day. It's great to see AI automating the tedious tasks, freeing up vital time for human interaction and personalized care. Another tool they announced streamlines the review of medical records from outside sources. This helps provide a more holistic view of a patient's health history. Again, it's these small tasks where the technology can really shine by cutting down administrative burdens. The improvements here are fantastic for both the patients and the professionals. Wound AI is another really cool development. This is a platform that uses generative AI to suggest the most suitable wound care treatments. It integrates directly into EHRs, prioritizing data security and promoting continuous improvement. It's a wonderful illustration of AI used to improve outcomes for patients. I'm truly excited to see the positive impact of these AI tools on improving healthcare services. What other areas within healthcare do you believe would gain the most from AI innovations? Leave them below. Hold on to your hats because the AI chatbot arena is heating up. In recent weeks, we discussed the unexpected emergence of DeepSeek, a Chinese AI chatbot that's taking the world by storm. It has reportedly been developed for a fraction of the cost of leading models and has actually surpassed many of its competitors on benchmark tests. Now, its success is causing ripples in the global AI industry, prompting investors to reevaluate their expectations after the previous surge in investment in American-made tools. The arrival of DeepSeek certainly isn't going unnoticed and has forced American companies to reconsider what they previously believed about cost versus performance in the LLM race. Many observers are drawing parallels to the Sputnik moment, a time when the arrival of Soviet technology prompted unprecedented investment in U.S. scientific research. This is already creating discussions about how long the current AI dominance of American firms will last. DeepSeek's success is not only a reminder of China's growing capabilities in AI, but also a compelling argument for evaluating the balance between cost-effectiveness and performance in AI development. What are your thoughts on this surprising shift and how this new type of disruption could reshape the future of AI? While you share your input, I want to also highlight several articles exploring the accuracy of translations by AI and highlight concerns about relying on AI translating sensitive documents without human oversight. Several articles highlighted the need for human translators to retain their role in the AI revolution. Let's talk about something really interesting happening in the development of large language models, the ever-growing context window. Think of the context window as the model's short-term memory, the amount of text it can remember at once. Initially, context windows were quite small. LLMs could only handle about 1,500 words of context. This was a major limitation. This led to prompt engineering becoming a sort of black art, where developers fought tooth and nail to create short, concise prompts that gave the best possible results. Now, thanks to incredible advances in AI technology and huge increases in compute power and memory, things are changing rapidly. In recent weeks, we've seen models emerging with vastly larger context windows, capable of handling hundreds of thousands, even millions, of tokens at once. This is huge. It's like giving the AI model access to a supersized memory that translates to more nuanced, detailed, and contextually relevant responses. The longer context windows facilitate the inclusion of huge swaths of knowledge, turning generative models into supercharged knowledge repositories. Imagine the possibilities for applications that deal with large datasets, such as long medical records or extensive legal documents. Instead of spending their time summarizing material outside the model, developers would be able to use the larger context windows to get straight to the insights from the data. It truly is an exciting leap forward. The expansion of context windows is happening rapidly, and we will continue to see even larger windows in the coming months. This has important implications. We'll come back and reflect on the context window again soon as new developments occur. What kind of application is most likely to benefit from these larger context windows? Share with me in the comments. Switching gears, we're looking at EG Group, a major player in the convenience store and gas station industry, is planning a massive IPO, initial public offering, on the New York Stock Exchange. This IPO could value the company at over $13 billion, making it one of the largest retail IPOs in recent history. This demonstrates tremendous faith and confidence in both the company and the markets, suggesting great expectations for ongoing growth. EG Group's success is largely built on its franchise model, leveraging highly recognizable brand names. The combination of fuel, food, and retail in one location is another factor contributing to EG Group's growth. While some have raised concerns about its current debt levels, the IPO offers an opportunity to reduce that debt and fuel further expansion, especially in the U.S. market. This would consolidate EG Group's position at the top of the sector. It's a huge moment for the company and will be definitely worth keeping an eye on. Should be interesting to watch this story unfold. What are your thoughts on EG Group's chances of success after going public? Share your prediction in the comments. As we wrap up, it's clear. The AI landscape is dynamic and ever-evolving. I would like to reiterate how impressed I am by the sheer pace of innovation across multiple sectors. The releases we've explored today, Expanse, Gefion, Agent Lumi, Alexi, Amazon One Medical's tools, and Wound AI, demonstrate how AI is not just a buzzword but a transformational force, already reshaping several industrial sectors. As the week's AI launches highlight, the possibilities are extraordinary. From better healthcare management to improved productivity and legal tools to scientific breakthroughs, AI is poised to redefine and reshape our world in remarkable ways. Of course, there are inherent challenges. Issues like bias, accuracy, and ethical considerations still need to be addressed. But what's important is that the future is bright if we can harness the power and potential of AI responsibly. I'm incredibly optimistic about the future of AI and what it can achieve. I'm excited to see the next leap forward. We'll cover the next wave of innovations as they emerge, here on All About AI Tech. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'd love to hear your thoughts on what you believe will be the biggest AI innovations by this time next year. Share below.